Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with fixed spreads. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get started. Spreads, or the difference between the bid and ask price, are one of the most important factors when choosing to consider a broker for you in the Forex market. So today, we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers that offer fixed spread accounts. Trading with a fixed spread account can assist with making your trading a lot more stable. Coming in first at number 5 is RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009 with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and Ctrader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, Rtrader, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more. With fixed spread accounts available on ProCent and ProStandard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started, a wide range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. At number 4 is Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Their featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Standard, VIP, and Premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features training courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. At number 3 is Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, CYSEC, DFSA, and the FSCA. Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower minimum deposits, fixed and variable spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Forex also provides their very own educational learning center, which covers in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education with Forex. Coming in at number 2 is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a popular online trading broker, which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions, while offering sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus 500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform, using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading, for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, and ensures that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which includes popular trading strategies and videos if you are looking for any additional education with Plus 500. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best fixed spread Forex brokers, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads with fixed spreads available on some currency pairs, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. And those are some of the top 5 best fixed spread Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.